Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to change the way Google Chrome preloads web pages? Chrome has a preload pages setting that can help pages load fast. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the preload pages setting in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Next, tap Preload Pages. The Preload Pages settings will appear. Here, you can choose from three options: No preloading, Pages load only after you open them, Standard preloading, some of the pages you visit are preloaded, or Extended preloading, more pages are preloaded. Choose the option you want to use. And that's how to change the preload pages setting in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials.